but you know, I got the inches on today, looking all cute or whatever. Baby, all night long. I'ma turn off all my phones. You don't hate it when I'm What's up, my Dajaybiesquad? Today I am back at it again with another video. Feeling happy, blessed, and beautiful as always. Listen, today is going to be an interesting day. I actually am going to a doctor's appointment right now that I scheduled like a couple months prior, so I have to go and get that done. And then I have like a bunch of other stuff I have to do, influencer stuff that you guys will be able to see. I am actually kind of late, not really. It is actually snowing outside now that I'm looking. We're having a whole freaking like snowstorm. Oh my gosh, this really sucks, girl. Look at this. Boston weather. Okay guys, so I am downstairs right now. I actually have to pack some snacks or whatever because I'm not sure exactly how long I'm gonna be gone, and I just kind of literally woke up and got all this stuff together. So that's what I'm, what the heck? Let me set this up for y'all. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I got some animal crackers I'm about to do. I'm literally trying to get this stuff done before I have to go. I think we have to be there like at 8, I think. No, we got stuck on things. I am in the hospital room right now. I'm actually waiting for my mom to come out, so I will get back with you guys when I get back into the car. What's up, my Dajaybiesquad? Okay, so today is a different day, as you guys can see. I have a lot that I have to do today. I actually am about to go to TJ Maxx to grab a couple things, and then oh yeah, today I had a meeting with my manager about some, you know, things that I'm working on or whatever. COVID, of course, is getting in the way like usual. But yeah, right now we're going to TJ Maxx, and then are we still going to Target? Yes. We're going to Target because we have to get a couple things from there. Then I'm going to go home and probably pre-plan some of my outfits that I have to get done. And then I know me and my uncle are actually going to hang out later today. So that's what my plan is for today. I decided to just like vlog 2 different days into one vlog because I know you guys like that. And on top of that, I think the day that I went to my doctor's appointment, I didn't really have a lot going on. I literally was just going to my doctor's appointment and going home. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. Some apples, some pears, some stuff like that. I need to get something quick. I actually went to TJ Maxx and there was absolutely nothing there, like no clothes, nothing that I would want to wear. So I kind of have to order them and figure all that out. So that's probably something I might do. I might look online when I get home and stuff and try to figure out what in the world I'm necessarily gonna order. I like these. I'm gonna get one. What's the date though? What is the... These like organic things, and it has let's see, ginger root, turmeric, oh, this is different, black pepper, root and flour. No, yeah, that's different. So I guess I have 2 different ones. It's this one. It literally looks the same, but it just has cayenne pepper. But when I tell you that stuff is spicy, that stuff is
And did you use the other pack?
No, I didn't even drink any yet.
So this is Papa's.
Yeah. That stuff is spicy. Oh, and another thing, if you guys do HelloFresh, I'm not sure if you do that. It's like an application you guys can do or whatever.
All of my stuff.
She's in love with this naked. It's an application you guys can do or whatever, and HelloFresh, and they actually have those that you can actually put your order in for and stuff, and it really boosts your immune system up. It makes you have energy. It's just all good vibes there. But she's over here with this naked.
So don't be trying to take my stuff.
I'm not trying to take your stuff because I can't. It's these.
Yeah.
Comment in the description box below if you can drink these. They're like,
are they? Drink those other ones. These are sweet. They actually taste good.
I've had these before and they're not.
They are.
Light salted. Ooh, sweet and chill. I never even heard of that. I didn't even know they had that. Oh, I want to show them the tea. No, I'm talking about like the tea I've been getting. Oh, here it is. I'm showing it to, guys, she doesn't listen. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the tea I also been getting. I've been getting the Zen. I've also been getting, I want to try it. No, I've been getting Awake. It's actually this one. And I've also been getting the Passion tea, which is red. It looks like they're kind of out, or it's all the way in the back. But I've been getting that tea as well. And it's really nice to chill it and then put like, where the heck did she go? It's nice to chill it and put like ice in your cup and kind of like, for something quick on the go. I think I did it like the other day when I was going to my doctor's appointment or whatever. She just literally ran, like, this appeared completely. Bro, this is crazy. But you know, I got the inches on today, looking all cute or whatever. I've also been doing almond butter. This usually isn't the type of almond butter that I get, but I've actually heard that it's a really good brand. Have you guys seen the new intro? If you guys have, give me a like or whatever. Okay, it literally took all day. Like, when I mean all day, it took me all day to get this intro down pat, because I professionally took the pictures. I want the pictures to be clean cut, and then I kind of had to redo like the theme color of my account and everything, and then I had to do the transitions and edit it all differently and stuff like that. As you guys know, I edit all my videos, my thumbnails and stuff like that. But my intros, I really try to take extra pride in, especially every year I switch them out. Last year I had my uncle film it, and then I edited the video almost into like a walking collage thing where it was like lit, you know. And I had my theme, it was pink, pretty Barbie or whatever. This theme is chocolate and, you know, shiny and sparkling and money, and I just want to do something a little bit different than normal. I feel like to switch things up. And then now, like for YouTube and stuff, and just for my image and stuff that I'm doing online, my theme is red hair now, because why not at this point? Why not? And plus I'm like literally bored of black hair. I just needed something. I needed a mix. I needed something new. So that's why I made the theme the color that it is, just to kind of like enhance that. But just in case if you guys are wondering, I always be changing my banners and my intros and stuff. I tried to kind of like dye it down to like a yearly thing, so you guys aren't confused, like is this the same channel, the same person. So that's why I most of the time try to dye it down to only switching out my image and switching out certain things yearly, just to give you guys something new to look at or whatever like that. But I know that we right now are going to, I think, get out of my makeup wipes. I think like a couple days ago. Do you want me to get them on?
Yeah, what?
Makeup wipes? Oh, you did? Okay. No, but yeah, I had to get my makeup wipes. Oh.
You came here first.
Target. I didn't even think about it. She just left the cart in the middle of the... Bro. No, for real though. I didn't even think about it. Target to get the workout clothes. Because guys, I couldn't find workout clothes for my life. Oh my god! Literally budget for absolutely everything.
This is what you're looking for.
Literally, like the matching, like this. See, I keep telling you guys, when I tell you my mom is like the queen of budgeting, like she really is. Like every little thing that's in the cart or whatever we get is always budgeted. Like there's never a time that nothing's budgeted, like at all. So but this stuff, like I really like, because I was trying to
see the bottom.
Yeah, I like this. This is cute. Because I was really trying to find like a workout outfit or something that's cute, something that I can literally throw on and go, because sometimes it's really hard and I don't want to, I don't know, like I want to match and look good. Like these prints are cute.
Yeah, this is where you need to come for your stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to find like a cropped. Why don't they have these cropped jackets? This is annoying. Maybe I should just take a jacket and cut it in half at this point, because my mom's calculator clock is going off, I can tell. She's like, see guys, no, that's what I'm talking about.
And I'm
her
not gonna get it, but yeah.
Mom. Oh, I see you in this.
Bye.
She said bye. You wouldn't wear these? Mom. What red? Oh, the workout. Well, see, you're gonna start giving me those types of looks. Oh, my card all out. You're gonna start giving me those types of looks. They really make sure you don't steal this. Like they really do. This is crazy. Thank you. You too. Okay y'all, so I am about to go upstairs, get the stuff together. I made myself some cereal because I'm hungry, like I have a lot to do. I actually am probably gonna start editing this video for you guys, just so I can get it up at a decent time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it up today or get it up, what is it, Saturday. So yeah, my posting day is Friday, so I might get it up Friday or today, it depends, because I'm trying to stay with a schedule so I can be consistent and stuff. So it really at this point. Okay guys, so I'm actually now in my office. I have my little bowl of cereal right now. I'm actually about to edit one of my videos, or this video that I'm actually doing right now. So I'm just going to do that, and then probably for the rest of the day I'm probably just gonna chill, watch some TV, hang out with my mom, depending on the type of footage that I have and like the length of the video, because I really want to give you guys a lengthy video. The video might be 3 days instead of 2, but it really depends on like the length of the video. If this is a long length, the video will end now. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Please make sure to do that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Baby all night long. I'ma talk up on my phone.